Hello, my name is Liz Hale. I'm the one there in the middle, next to my husband and our 6 children. I would like to present to you some ideas I gathered as I'm learning about a possible future career as a school psychologist. According to the Psychology Major Student Handbook, school psychologists are involved in enhancing the development of children in educational settings. They assess children's psychoeducational abilities and recommend actions to facilitate student learning. They are typically trained in schools of education and work in public school systems. They often act as a consultant to parents, teachers, and administrators to optimize the learning environment of specific students. My first educational step would be to earn a bachelor's degree in either psychology or education. The next step would be to earn a master's degree also in psychology or education or an education specialist degree. I would need to follow that with a full-time internship where I would be required to spend 1,200 hours. Half of those hours would need to be in a school setting. After receiving that education, I would need to obtain a National Association of School Psychologists certification and become licensed in order to start working. As for my personal education plan, my path looks a little different than your typical college student. I am not on a 4-year plan. I have been attending school part-time for the last 5 years. I am currently trying to decide whether or not to change my major to psychology. The next slide will further explain. 5 years ago, I went to college with the hope of becoming a nurse. After a few semesters of part-time general ed classes, I realized the full-time nursing program was not going to fit into my family schedule. I changed majors to pursue a degree in mathematics and began tutoring math part-time, which I thoroughly enjoyed. I considered becoming a high school math teacher. Even as I considered this option, I knew this plan was just temporary until I could get back to a nursing degree. A year and a half ago, our family moved to Rexburg, and I decided to attend BYU, Idaho. I thought this might be a good time to try and get back on track with nursing, so I began completing my prerequisites to apply for the nursing program. Unfortunately, even though my children are all a little older, I'm still not ready to be a full-time student. So here I am this semester taking Psych 201, a prereq for nursing, but also taking Psych 112 to learn more about a degree in psychology. I considered the fact that a degree in psychology could be done part-time, and I could take as long as I need. As I debate a change in my education plan, I know that I would like to pursue a career that involves helping others. The idea of working as some type of psychologist intrigues me, and I know that it would give me an opportunity to connect with people and to help them. As I read through chapter 13 in the psychology major book and read the list of reasons for becoming a psychology major, I found there were a few I can connect with. I do have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. I know that psychology is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for a graduate or professional degree, and a bachelor's degree in psychology will prepare me for a job. So far, this class has given me a lot to think about, and I will continue to look into the possibility of changing my major to psychology.